Hey guys, Technomentary here with a video that I'm really excited about today because I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone SE2 2020 edition. So this phone was rumored to be out for a long time and it finally released, and I was able to pre-order it from the Apple website on April 5th, 17th, and I just got it today in the mail, April 24th. So I'm going to be unboxing it today and show you guys what's in the box here. Before I get started, if you guys are new to our channel, we do a lot of tech reviews and unboxing and giveaways, so hit that subscribe button. We appreciate every single subscriber. It really does help for us because we're a growing channel right now. And also, we're going to be giving away one of a phone. To enter the giveaway, simply like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and then share the video to one of your social media, Facebook, Twitter, or whatever social media you have, and then comment below that you have done that. And let's go ahead and start unboxing this. So I got this SE in this box, like I mentioned, on the April 24th. It came with UPS express shipping, and I was really surprised that they gave me in this box. So let's go ahead and open it up. So there's a tape. I have a scissor here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys. Also, if you guys are looking to buy an iPhone SE, I believe Amazon and eBay has some good deal right now on some carrier specific SE that they're selling, so you can find it there as well. Check out the link down below in the description if you're looking for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. As you can see, I had it upside down, but here's the iPhone SE. So this is the product red edition. Let's see, this is really exciting, guys, because I love opening up new Apple phones. So here we go. We have the iPhone SE. This is the product red edition. As you can see, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. This is really exciting because whenever I open up an iPhone, I feel like, these are so well packaged. They're not meant to be opened, but we're going to go ahead and open it for you guys because I ordered just so that my viewers can take a first glance at the iPhone SE. So this is a product red, which I think, in my opinion, is the best color there is. We're going to go ahead and open it up here. All right, let's open this up. Okay, so here is the manual and all the manual that you need. So we're gonna put that aside. You can see here's the top, and then we have the actual iPhone SE here. Let's look at the back, the product red edition. I like the red color because it's really unique, and what they do is that I think there's a charity that they give away whenever you buy the product red edition from Apple anytime. So as you can see, it has the Apple logo here, the one camera here, and then there's a flat plastic thing. Let's put that aside. Let's look at what's in the box. So the box has the ear pods, which are the wired one, not the wireless one. It would be nice if it was the AirPod, but it's not. So we'll put that aside. And then the regular, I believe this is the regular charger, not the fast charger that the newer iPhones come with. So that's brand new in there as well. Let's put that aside. And for this iPhone, we're gonna go ahead and turn it off so you can set it up, see what we have there. Right now it has this plastic cover on top. Usually I like to keep this on because I find that once you take it off, the touch is gonna be a bit hard to use, but we'll go ahead and actually take it off. Usually when I take this off, I feel like this is probably the best part of unboxing, whenever you're taking that seal off. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off, put it aside right here, and then as you can see, I turned on the phone. I was afraid that sometimes whenever you get these newer phones, you have to charge it, but this one is already charged up. Let's go ahead and get connected to our internet here. So I'm gonna put in my password here. So once I put that in, we'll be able to kind of take a look at it more closely. So let's give it a minute or two. This is such light. It's so slim, and I could feel the phone right now in my hand. It feels really smooth, and the back is really smooth. The glass back as well, similar to the iPhone 8. I believe they're about the same spec in terms of screen size as well. So if you have iPhone 8, you're gonna feel like it's the same thing. This edge feels a little bit more rounder on this one, a little bit less heavier than the iPhone 8. So let's go ahead and set this up. We're not gonna put any of the default stuff. I just want to get to the home screen to see how the phone performs. We're going to be doing a lot more other videos on camera tests, speed tests, comparing with the other iPhone to give you guys even a better look at it. We're going to give you updates after using it for a week, a couple months, see how the phone hold up. Does the SE live up to the kind of standard that Apple has deemed, because it is the $399 price mark. So because they're going to continue the $399 price mark, which is cheaper than what they usually release the iPhones at $699 and then $1099. Incredibly really high for most iPhones. So as you can see right now here, I have went to the home screen. Its software is really fast. I believe they come with if we look at the software, I think it comes with 13.4.1 iOS already preloaded for us. So that's the latest iOS there. So initial look at it, it looks good. We're looking to see browsing. Let's see Apple's website itself. My Wi-Fi isn't great, but it did load up fast enough for us to get to the website. Any Google site, Bing, they're all loading up pretty fast. So far right now it's moving fast, but it'll take the control. Up here looks great as well, top part. So initial feel looks great, love it already. I'm definitely going to be using it for a while, so I can give you guys a much more in-depth review of the video. But this was just unboxing to show you guys how the product red is. As you see, I love this color because the red I find it to be the most appealing out of the other colors. You have the white one as well. The thing about these are that most of them, I believe, come with the black front, and then the color is different, and there's 4 different kinds. I believe you can get the red one, white one, black one, and what was the other color? I can't remember off the top of my head. There was 4 different ones. So hopefully this unboxing video was helpful. If you guys are looking to buy it, check out the link down below description. We're going to be doing a lot more testing. Let us know in the comment as well if there's specific thing you want us to check at. Let's look at the battery life on this one. Should be 100% because I opened it up. As you see, the battery health here, capacity is at 100% here. Let's take a quick look at the camera as well. So this new feature, QuickTake, is available on the iPhone SE. Let's take a look at the front camera. Looks like it's working here. Initial look at it looks phenomenal here so far. But we're going to be doing a lot more in-depth review for you guys in this. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. So thanks for watching, guys.